white job.
You want me to go ahead and turn the light on?
I can get this end pretty good without it, because the sun's coming in this end. All right, in the attic of Joe White, double bubble foil wrap for the duct, and attic gable sides, ventilation. About to be joined by Scott Sawyer, technician and owner of the company.
Well, I can feel it pulling through now that it's closed. Okay. What do you think of this job?
It's definitely a tight-worked space, that's for sure.
This is not quite done yet. This will get some treatments behind here. It'll get some small treatments here around the ductwork and how it's fitted. But notice, this flex here is R6 flex itself. It's is it? Is it on this side down there?
I don't know, and I can't exactly get that in there.
I think I find it.
Well,
It is R6 flex. There's some back there. And the floor is not super essential to have all tight down. It just needs to hold. And I stop here so there is no more. This is the edge of the wood. So I applied all this decking down. Yeah, there's some draw through here. It may just be enough. You can see a total. It's coming in. I just don't know if it's enough.
Well, we'll research it when we get back.
So, but there's the wall done.
Yeah.
The end of the ductwork's done. It's all sealed. With mastic sealer. That way this is sealed, and then it's sealed again and taped up inevitably. So it's sealed twice. That's superior to code. Code in most places only requires taping.
Okay.
I can feel a great air movement up here.
And I can feel it too.
That is good. I like it. So we have two 6-inch runs here that do the master bedroom, which is a really small master bedroom, and 10 by 10 duct. Because that 12-inch run there does carries all the airflow for the downstairs.
Okay.
These takeoffs have dampers in them, so I can balance the airflow for the system, so that I can always make sure that the downstairs gets the right airflow and the upstairs has the right airflow.
All right, you want to take us to the other end?
One good thing about it is it's definitely softer on the knees. This flex run I'm in front of now, and here does a future bedroom. I had it easy. I could dump some airflow through there.
All right. All right, I'm going to shut it down long enough to get over there with you. Okay, at the other end of the attic.
We have here, we still have some more duct wrapping to do here. And here. But it's sealed with a mastic here. And even on some of the corners of the fiber board.
Okay.
Obviously needs a piece of radiant barrier through here and underneath of the unit and part of the unit itself. The manufacturer states that these fans should be set on 85 degrees. So that's what the adjustable temperature is. Now, I have been searching for a fan that's lubricating, like you can maintain the fan by putting lubrication in it, but so far this is what I've been able to find for as cheap as I've been able to find it. Further research is going to have to be done, but in general it seems to be working. Thankfully it's a small area anyway. There wasn't much breathing room through here. They've stuffed insulation all the way through it. And I believe that the ceiling and the roof are the same right below this point. And when that happens, I believe they've insulated that too. I'm not really sure what effect that's going to have on us yet, but that's not really my work. I didn't have anything to do with it. I just know that this space is ventilated because now we have an air handler unit in it. This is it down here. You can show back this way. I'm trying the double bubble foil wrap radiant barrier as part of my line set. This still has to be terminated. This is for a humidifier. I'm gonna have to relocate it. And you can see how I've used double bubble foil wrap, and it may still need yet another coating because the line set water in the water in the condensate line is so cold it's condensing on the outside of the plastic pipe.
Okay, so it's basically a water vapor barrier usage.
Yeah, but no. I'm using it just as a radiant and insulating barrier.
Okay.
I found that over there it gets cold, but it doesn't really saturate with condensation. But in through here, as the run time increases, you get moisture. It's already accumulated moisture. I'm soaking wet. So obviously I've still got to take care of wrapping this, which is not a problem.
Okay. So that's the white job in a nutshell.
Yep.
All right. Awesome.